Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. To domesticate an animal, there are many things to consider, like their temperament, their diet, and what they can produce. Sheep were one of the earliest domesticated animals because they were easy to take care of and were a source of meat, milk, and of course, wool. Since humans were very familiar with sheep, they show up as one of the basic characters in Chinese. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts a horned sheep. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? This character means sheep. It is used in this word, yáng, which means mutton. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. From here, let's add a character that means tree. Sheep tend to remember their ways and always follow them. So when humans first hunted sheep, they waited for them to return on the same path. The shape of the path is then drawn on a wooden plate for the next hunt. This character means shape. The traditional character shows waterways to imply the pathways made by the sheep. It is used in these words, 怎么样, which means how, and 一样, which means the same, equally, or alike. Here's the next character. The character below the sheep means eye. Sheep navigate by sticking close together. They have very poor eyesight, so they need to rely on their sense of touch to move around. This character means touch. It is used in this word, 着急, which means worry or anxious. Here's another character. Now the character under the sheep is a simplified version of a character for left. To remember this character, think of holding the sheep with your left hand to shear the fur. The length of the fur will differ from one part of the sheep to another. The ancient character shows holding crops with the left hand for the same reason that crops have different lengths. So this character means different or wanting. It is used in this word, 差不多, which means almost, nearly, or just about. On to the next character. Now the character under the sheep depicts a fire. The character portrays cooking or roasting a lamb over a fire for a holy offering. Because lamb meat is fine textured and mild, it is treated as high quality food. This character means lamb. Here's the last character. From here, let's add a character for rice. This character depicts the offering of rice cakes onto an altar, like the lamb. Rice cakes are still used today as an offering for important memorial services. It is used in this word, 蛋糕, which means cake. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.